So, this is the first time my Guardian air conditioners are in a while, and it's making a funny noise. So, it makes this noise every time. It hasn't ran for a while, so let's see everyone turn it off. I think it's kind of stopping within that noise a little bit. It's been cold this weekend, so it hasn't really rained. Alright, it stopped now. If any of you guys know why it was making that noise, please comment on the video. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I guess that'll be about it. I would like to hear it turning on, but yeah, I'll make a separate video of it turning off. Let's go with that. Oh, there it goes. Alright. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we'll watch it stop. There it goes, and that's it.